Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram QR code or how to find your Instagram QR code. So I will show you that. So let's start our video. At first, starting our video, I want to say you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start our video. At first, launch on your Instagram apps. Okay, after launching your Instagram apps, tap on your profile icon on the down corner. Tap it. Okay, look at this. This is your Instagram profile. So you want to QR code. So tap on the corner this option. Okay, then here have QR code. Tap on it. Okay, now look at this. This is your QR code, your profile QR code in this, and you can select from here any emoji. Look at this, it changed, and look at this, your QR code is here, and you can make it emoji. And if you want, scan others Instagram QR code or your friend Instagram QR code you want to scan, so tap on this down this option, scan QR code on this down, tap it, and you can scan others or your friends QR code from here, and you can send him friend request or anything. So in this way you can find your Instagram QR code, or you can scan others or your friends QR code. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.